For the latest updates on the Indian startup ecosystem, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.
Hello and welcome to yourstory.com. I'm Debolina and here are the top stories from this week. He may have 2 decades of experience and 2 startups under his belt, but he still codes every day. Well, we are talking about Laksh Srini, the co-founder and CTO of San Francisco-based real estate tech startup Zerodown. Born and brought up in Chennai, Laksh started learning computer programming right from his 6th standard. Thus, his choice for his higher education was clear: computer science engineering. Amidst the dot-com bust, when everyone was worried about going the computer science way, Laksh thought ahead of its time. Later, he went on to start an HR and payroll management startup, Zenefits, before founding Zerodown. Know more about his journey only on this week's Tech Tuesday. For several years now, many reports, surveys, and white papers have stated that engineers in the country are unemployed. 2 years back, the HRD ministry had pointed out that 48% of engineers in India were still unemployed. The pandemic has simply amplified the need for specialized skills. With many people facing job loss, furloughs, and salary cuts, there is a growing demand for upskilling. This is the whole idea behind Mumbai-based online education platform Upgrad, which focuses on upskilling people. In this week's product roadmap, which clarifies the why, what, and how behind what a tech startup is building, we take you behind the scenes of Upgrad. Make My Trip founder Deep Kalra, who is also an active angel investor in startups, believes that there is ample money out there to fund good ideas and entrepreneurs in India, even as the economy reels under the heavy impact of the coronavirus pandemic. The 50-year-old entrepreneur investor shared that he continues to actively invest in startups and that some of his pre-pandemic investments are really doing well. Deep is extremely optimistic about India's future as the startup economy, despite the current economic gloom in the country, finds itself in and believes that the government is making the right moves in supporting the India's startup ecosystem. Read more about what Deep has to say only on Your Story. Zerodha needs no introduction in the startup universe. Earlier this year, the bootstrap startup joined the Unicorn or 1 billion valuation club. But Zerodha's biggest contribution lies in the fact that it brought trading to the fingertips of the common man like never before. And in that sense, it is to online stockbroking in India what Flipkart was to e-commerce. Zerodha appeals to both beginners and seasoned traders through its bouquet of user-centric products, one of which is Kite, its flagship trading and investment platform. Launched in 2019, Kite has ranked consistently among the top finance apps in India. Check App Fridays to know why it is so popular among the stock market enthusiasts. For more such videos, news, and updates from the Indian startup ecosystem, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.